So this is Tim's van. He's nearly finished his van build. If you want to see his proper van tour, go and check out Mel's channel. But this is what it looks like quickly in here.
I haven't finished it and I'm already making modifications. So.
Oh really? Oh no, what have you changed now?
I'm redoing the seats.
Oh.
The seats. I'm remaking them all.
Why? Are they too small?
I just didn't like. I just don't think I've done a very good job on them.
You're like,
I think I could do. They're actually perfect, like size-wise and angle, everything.
yeah.
They're just a bit badly made because I made them early on.
Oh right, one of the first things.
Yeah, so I'm just going to remake them.
So this is an original one, and then that's the new one.
Yeah, the one that I've just done.
Oh,
it's just
okay.
like on the top, there's like a gap and like stuff like that.
Oh,
And I just want
okay.
them to be like flush.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Just get some caulking out.
Yeah. I was going to do that, but they're a bit
Too big of a gap.
Yeah, I think they're too far gone for caulking.
What's that you're using, Tim?
Knifeless tape. Basically, just has a bit of string in it that it cuts the vinyl.
Oh right, yeah.
And it pulls through.
Moment of truth. So what's your opinion on wrap then, Tim? Would you do it again?
No. Not on that. I reckon I could have another good go at the other side.
Yeah, I think that this panel is epic.
Yeah, where that's actually worked, but
Yeah.
not.
Not a slide out.
No.
Everyone's getting round it now.
Nice, thank you. Not so well, but I'll just have the scissors actually for some I said I'll save up and then I'll get someone professional to do it.
So we can all sit and watch him do it.
I see they've got kits on eBay.
Oh dear. Yeah. I've sealed it up because I didn't try and do it again.
No, that's good. I knew it was going to be hard work. I knew it was.
Yeah. On the flat panels.
Are you happy?
Happy enough.
Happy enough. Okay.
Happy enough that I'm not going to take it off.
And see how you go. So back doors, yay, nay.
Not for now.
Not for now. Maybe a
I've
couple
got
of years
enough for
time.
it. But I think I'd rather try and redo the other side before I did the back doors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Considering, yeah, everybody does something from the beginning and then learns. It's good. So we've got flare out on one side, and then we've got the other side like so. So yeah, all in all, Tim did a fantastic job. We're going to wait and see what Mel comes up with doing his panel in a few weeks, if not next week. So yeah, battle of the wrapping will begin. Who will come out on top? Will it be Tim or will it be Mel? We will find out.
Well, then at least you can offer advice on whether to wrap it before you stick it on or after.
Yeah, that's it. Well, this is why I wanted to film you do it, because in my opinion, I was like, oh, I wonder what it's like, vertically wrapping something.
Yeah.
And then what's it like
Yeah.
laying it on the table? So, yeah. I think I'll hear more swearing from Mel.